Hey everybody! One of the problem that you see it in Python, there is no data type defined for variable. So if I say x equal, for example, Hussein, this data will be a string. So if you say type for x, he is intelligent enough to know this one is string. Same thing if I say x equal 10, but in string way. If I just click enter, then I click type for x, still he think this one is string, even its number. Do you know why? Because we added between double quotation. In some cases we want to change data type from string to integer or string to float or string to double or whatever. So how we change it? Let me define new variable, we name it x int equal the x, but not x. I want to change this x to integer. How to change it to integer? From string to integer, to just say int, open bracket, add the variable. That's mean, hey, take the string, convert it to integer, save it in a new variable in integer. Now if I say type for x in it, he have to give me an integer. Did you see? So basically we take now if I want to put x in it, should be integer. Up. It doesn't work because I misspelled it. X in it, if you see, is integer, while normal x is string. So did you see basically how we could change from one data type to other? Also, you could you don't have to change it only to string. You could change it to integer. You could change it for float. So you say okay, x float in this way. Yes, you say okay, which is the origin x? I want to change it to float. You say okay, float for the x. Now think about type for x float. Should it be float? See, you change it to float. Basically, that's great. So if say x float in this way, he will show you as a float number. So did you see? X was string, but it was very easy for us to change it to integer and change it to string. So you just write data type. Integer int, float, long, you say long, whatever. So what about the opposite way? If I have x, z equal 10, and I want to change this 10 to string. Now if I say type for x, now again x, I thought z, x is integer now. So I want to change it to string. How? I say x string. Okay, basically just I call the function str for the x. Here you go. Now if I say type for x string, he tell you, hey, this is string. If I just say x string, he consider as string. So basically this is function how we could change one data type to other. There is too many functions that we could use it. Like you see now just string, integer, float. Okay, there is long, there is list, there is set, there is dict for dictionary. There is too many. There is tuples. Okay, tuple only. All of these, they just take input from different data type and they could change it. So yeah, this is how you change from one data type to other, which is great, and you will see it a lot in next upcoming video. Here we done, and thank you for watching.